All right, get off the game. Get off the game. Oh, 32 points, 9 rebounds, good shit. But we got something to talk about. I just literally gave you your phone back. Literally just gave you your phone back. What she gonna do for that treat? Part 2? How to get my lipstick bigger? What is... How to hump the leg the right way? What's the wrong way? My stepsister was... Your stepsister was what? That's it. Give me the game. Give me the game. Give me the game. Where you going? You're grounded. You're grounded.